good afternoon. This is Brian Schumann coming to you from Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV here in Belton, Missouri. Hope everyone had a wonderful and safe 4th of July. I'm really excited today. We're showcasing a 2022 Winnebago Navion 24D Class C coach. This again is built on a Sprinter, Mercedes Sprinter chassis, a 3.0 liter, 188 horsepower. Probably one of the most efficient RVs on the road. Gets anywhere between 15 and 20 miles a gallon. Yes, I said 15 to 20 miles a gallon. That's exactly what clients have told me they're getting in their coach. So in terms of the high gas prices, this is extremely economical, powerful, comfortable, and the 24D, as you can see, if you look down this is how much space you have when you have this full wall slide out. And what I love about this coach is that and this massive pantry size that you have in addition to the space in between the slide and the pantry. I think Winnebago, this floor plan is just superior in terms of room and functionality. I mean, you have all this room. If I extend my arms out, that's over 6 feet of room. You could easily have 4 people very comfortably navigating a weekend trip or a long several days in this coach and be very, very comfortable. I'm going to start at the back of the coach here for a little variety. And in this coach, you have a full shower, rectangular shower with a skylight, a removable head, so again, you can get the body parts you need, porcelain stool, a little window, and then over here, your vanity, sink, and back here you have your table that'll go up between the 2 captain seats, a wardrobe area, your stinky sleazy, but that'll go outside. But again, more storage back here. Then you have a pocket door for privacy. Again, so you're not worrying about swinging out at all. Your Murphy bed operation is a button right back here that enables you to bring the bed down. And as you notice with the bed up, you have seating for at least 2 people. You have storage underneath. You have another pedestal and a table that can go here, and I'll accent that and I'll repeat what I mean by the table here because there's lots of table space in the new 2022 Navion. Windows on both sides of the head. And what's neat about this Murphy bed when it comes down, the crease is up by your head and neck, and that's where your pillow is going to be. So you don't have to worry about those beds that kind of fold apart 2 or 3 times and you got your back and your legs in between cracks. Not a problem in this 24D. Back here you've got an Orco fridge that'll run off your gas and power. And you have some very nice generous space for your pantry. Nice and deep. A good height, so if you're short you can still grab it. You still have a top drawer, but again, very ample pantry space, coupled by the large dash and galley prep area. I really think that's a real asset to that. You've got carpeted shelving up above, so things will stay quiet and stay in their place. Obviously have your flat screen insignia, TV. You have deep drawers that are backlit, that are soft closed, and you actually have the option, well, of how you want to cook. You have a gas range, a single burner gas range, or you have an induction cooktop. So again, your choice on which cooking method you want to use. And since we're cooking, I want you to see how much light comes in this kitchen window. I mean, that's about the size of many Class A windows. So this coach just really opens itself up to a lot of uses. You've got 2 sinks that are a nice depth and width and size. Again, your removable shower head. Lots of cabinet space underneath. Very generous. The Winnebago also has one of the highest carrying capacities of all Class Cs that are out there. In addition to your overhead cabinets, which again are also carpeted all the way along, This particular coach is equipped with theater seats, and that's what I was sitting in before, and they recline. You've got your cup holders, you've got storage underneath your armrests. But what's neat about this coach also is you can see these ram brackets here and here. There's two tables that are like this. One that we happen to take out of this storage area, and another one that would be right here in this storage apparatus. Okay, and that can go here. So you have dining for one or two, or like I said before, you got a table and a pedestal that'll go there, and another one that'll go here. So you've got a place for everybody to have a meal, a place for a game, or just to put down a book and read if you like. So again, besides the sleeping capabilities, the walking space you have, the cooking options you have, this coach has got it all. Remember, on these Sprinter chassis, the front seats turn around, and once they're turned around, you have a jumper seat that'll go on it. So again, when you're sitting here, the fact that the seat is down, when you turn around, this makes up for that step. So you're not sitting there with your feet straight out. You do have a bend in your leg, and makes it much, much easier to get up out of the bed. And quite frankly, you can store these things just like this, and it won't be in the way of the slide coming in. So again, you're not taking up valuable storage space. Notice you have an overhead bunk, a fantastic fan, and you have two side windows to let some additional light if you got a little one up there sleeping, and a reading light, and a curtain for privacy. The M-Bucks Mercedes dash, smart wheel, infotainment center, everything you need, plenty of cup holders. Again, a heated seats, memory seats, all electric configurations. Makes this, again, extremely comfortable to drive, and basically like a Mercedes van if they made one of that sort. I like what Winnebago does with a new European door. You've got your blackout shade that'll come from the top. You've got a trash can if you want it. Another place for knickknacks. And to lock the door, you can just push it forward. To unlock it, you can pull it back. But what I like about it also is that ergonomically, to open the door, you can open it here instead of having to reach all the way down and strain your back. So again, very, very intelligent design. Also, while I'm here, I'll mention that you've got a screen door that is a pocket screen that comes across. So now you don't have to worry about that extra screen door flopping and banging on your entry coach door. So this is a 2022 Navion 24D. It's actually about 25 feet 6 inches in length. This one particularly has a LP generator, not a diesel generator, but everything else, you can see the amenities that are on there. You got space, you got fit, you got function, and we saw in this coach today. Give us a call, let us know if you're interested in what we can do to help you. I'd be happy to do a FaceTime with you if this doesn't help you enough. So again, Brian Schumann from Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV in Belton. Give me a call, 816-892-5945. The link will be up on our webpage. I look forward to hearing from you. Safe travels.